Come on, boys.
Can we vote out red card and Hacienda here? Let's just get a all friendly group decision going. Both those maps are ass. You know what I'm saying? Bro.
Protocol's pretty bad too, though. Let's be for real.
Oh, fuck. There we go.
Especially with search.
Yeah, but
Does anyone on my team have mics? No? Okay, cool. Alright, I need to lock in here because I need some SR. We're down bad. Real bad.
Search and destroy. Pacify the AO, kill team.
Oh no, I got one weak out here. Good shots, bro. Nice.
There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them. Not much time left. Put this aside.
Oh, he's bottom. Oh,
Exemplary,
shit.
Crimson. Do it again and let's go home.
That's not bad.